Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make kheer in electric kettle. The ingredients are very simple. We take milk, then rice, fragrant rice, some jaggery, cashew, bay leaves and a cardamom. Now, first of all, we add this milk inside the kettle and boil it. I have preferably taken full fat milk because it will enhance the texture of your kheer. As you can see, the milk is boiling. So you have to stir it and let the milk boil. You have to be very careful with the milk, otherwise it will spill off. We have to boil the milk for near about 5 minutes so that it will get thickened. Now as the milk has boiled, now we will add the rice. After adding the rice, we will again switch it on and then boil it. You have to continuously stir it, otherwise the base will stick. And to this boiling milk, we will add the bay leaves so that it will give good flavor to your kheer, and you keep on stirring. Now we will boil the rice in the milk and we will keep on stirring it. And we have to be very careful, otherwise the milk will spill. See, the rice has not yet been cooked. We have to keep it boiling. Now I have added the cashews to it. See, there. And again I will stir it. Now the rice has almost got boiled after continuous stirring. So this is the time to add the jaggery. I have broken the jaggery into small pieces like this. And then I will show you the rice. There. As you can see, if you crush a rice piece with your finger, it will feel soft. So you will understand that the rice is done. Now we will add the jaggery to the rice. If you like much sugar, means more sweet, then you can add more jaggery. And then we will stir it and again boil it. Now for the cardamom, I am using this stone to grind this. It's very easy, you can also do it. See, it's been grounded there. Now after adding the jaggery and boiling this, we can see that the milk has become kheer like. It has become very consistent, and you have to keep on stirring it so that the bottom does not stick. It has become very consistent. We have switched it off. Now to this we will add the cardamom. There. I have already added the peel before while boiling the milk, so it would give good flavor. And I'll stir it. The kheer is now ready. It is time to pour it in my vessel. The smell is really very good. Reminds me of my mother's recipe. Dun-dun! Kheer is now ready. We will let it cool and then we will eat it. After cooling, it will look something like this. Smells delicious. So, if you like my video, do like and subscribe and comment below. And if you really want to make it, it's very easy. You can make with your own electric kettle. Bye bye for now.